Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to use stack chart as a Gantt chart. Okay, so what we have here is the project task or activities, requirement gathering, development, UAT, and implementation of production. All this and this is start dates for each activity or task and the duration. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to draw a Gantt chart, but in Excel we don't have a type Gantt chart. So what we need to do is we need to use stack chart. Okay, so I will go to bar, insert bar. In the bar you can see the 2D bar, stacked bar. Okay, so stacked bar chart we can use this one as a Gantt chart. Okay, so I'll show to you how to work on stack bar chart. Okay, go here and then okay, probably I'll show you one more time. Just go to insert the bars. Okay, charts. In the charts bar chart in 2D bar, there you can find the stacked bar. Okay, there you want to insert the values now. So right click on the chart and select data. Okay, in the data what you need to do is that we will enter manually the legend entries series and the category. Okay, horizontal axis labels. Okay, so what we are going to do, add series name. First it's a start date. Okay, and the values are these. Okay, the array of start dates. Okay, then the next one, similarly you have a duration. You need to add the duration. The name is duration and the series values are the duration values. Okay, then plus OK. Then you can see here it is like this, start date and the duration. Okay, then the now the categories axis labels are 1 to 3. We want requirement gathering, development, UAT, implementation instead of these 1 to 3. How can we add bring those activities names in the axis labels? Go here, edit. Here you got axis label range. Select this range, the names, requirement gathering, development, UAT, implementation of production. Then OK. So you can find now the labels changed. Okay, now press OK. Now you got the stacked bar chart like this. Okay, so what we need to do is now you have the date is the upper bound here, and from there you got the duration. We just want this line to be kept for the start date, and the whole bar, the first stack is not needed. Okay, the upper stack is needed, which is the duration. So click on that and then it will select all the first stack bars. Then right click, then you can find a fill here. This fill you can just select and go for no fill. Okay, this will hide the bar there. Then you will got only the duration. Okay, so now our next step is, you can see the order of this axis labels are from implementation of production to it's upside down, but we want requirement gathering to implementation. Either you can sort the data, which I don't want to do that, because in the very meaningful way the data is presented. So in the chart what we can do is click here and it will select all the axis labels. Then click here in the axis labels, then go to format axis, then you can find the format axis coming here with the options here. One of the option is axis options. Okay, in the axis options you can find categories in reverse order. Click in this, then you will get a reverse order, which is the requirement gathering to implementation in production. Okay, then now what you have now is the dates. The dates starting from March 18th, but our start date is 1st April, so we want only the from 1st April onwards. Okay, how can we get from 1st April onwards? What we need to do is, again you go to the this label, okay, the dates series, horizontal value axis, okay, and you right click or double click, it will come up with the same option, format axis. In the format axis you can find the bounds, minimum value and maximum value. Okay, in the minimum value you need to enter the first date, start date is 1st April 18, 1st April, okay, 2018. Okay, what it done, it automatically converted to number. Okay, the respective numerical value of that date. Okay, that will become the minimum value. So you started with the first date is April 18th. Okay, what you can do is that you can if you cannot convert the number here properly, then you can go to the particular date, right click, format cells. Okay, there you can go to the general, you can see the sample value, it is formatted that value to the number. Okay, this is the number 43191. okay, but you don't press OK. If you press OK, it will convert to number. Just cancel 43191, then go here, then you can put that number here. Okay, similarly for the maximum also, you have from how many dates you want, probably there is a gap here. Okay, you want up to 31st of May, you can just put a 31st of May in the maximum. Okay, now you got dates and the requirement gathering, all this in the same order. Now it looks like a Gantt chart. Okay, so now what you need to do is that you want to change the stack colors. Okay, that can be done. Okay, now what I'm going to change the stack colors. How can I change the stack colors? According to the status. Okay, now requirement gathering is completed, so I want to put a green color, but when you click, it will click all the bars. What you need to do is you click first you click, then it will click all the bars, select all the bars, then again click one more time on the bar you want to select. Now I selected the requirement gathering, which I go to fill. Okay, in the fill or right click the fill, what I am going to do, I am going to just make a green color because it's over. Okay, similarly what I can do is that next bar, right click, fill, what I am going to do is amber because it is almost completed, it's in orange. UAT is parallel UAT, and this is right click, it's in yellow, progress, in progress. Finally the implementation of production is in red, it's not yet started. Okay, So this way you can change the colors, and now you can see that it is look like a simple Gantt chart. And but only thing is we don't have milestones and other stuff. You want to do that one, you need to go to the Gantt project planner for Excel. Okay, but our purpose here is to just to show you simple Gantt chart for some presentation and view purpose. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.